me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
स्टीव जॉब्स, जो कि को-फाउंडर हैं एप्पल इनकॉर्पोरेशन के, जिसने मैकिंटोश ओएस या फिर मैक और आईफोन जैसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हैं। बिल गेट्स, जो कि को-फाउंडर हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जिसको हम सब जानते हैं, जिसने विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और एक्सबॉक्स जैसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हैं। रॉबर्ट सी मार्टिन, जिन्होंने सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री को 5 सॉलिड प्रिंसिपल्स नाम की एक काफ़ी जानी मानी डिज़ाइन प्रिंसिपल दी है। बेटी स्नाइडर हॉलबर्टन, ये एनियाक जो कि एक फर्स्ट जनरल पर्पस डिजिटल कंप्यूटर था, उसकी प्रोग्रामर थी, और इन्होंने सॉफ्टवेयर डिबगिंग में ब्रेक पॉइंट्स को इन्वेंट किया था, जो कि किसी सॉफ्टवेयर में बग्स या एरर्स को ट्रैक करने में यूज़फुल होता है। गेब नेविल, ये को-फाउंडर हैं वाल्व सॉफ्टवेयर के, जो कि एक गेम डेवलपमेंट कंपनी है, जिसने हाफ लाइफ और काउंटर स्ट्राइक जैसे एवरग्रीन गेमिंग टाइटल्स बनाए। मार्क जकरबर्ग, जो कि को-फाउंडर हैं फेसबुक के, और फेसबुक जो कि व्हाट्सएप और इंस्टाग्राम जैसी काफ़ी पॉपुलर सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स को एक्वायर कर चुका है। इन्हें और इनके काम के बारे में जानकर आप थोड़े तो इंस्पायर हुए होंगे कोडिंग के लिए, एंड आई होप कि हम सब भी एक ना एक दिन इनके जैसे या उनसे भी बेहतर प्रोडक्ट्स बना पाएँ। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं कोडिंग का ये सफ़र।
Hello friends, this is Aditya from Technavas. So today we will be installing Node.js on our system. So before installing the Node.js, I just want to give you an overview about the Node.js. So it is like one of the most used programming language as per the Stack Overflow surveys, and some Angular.js. So before installing it, I just want to give you an overview about the Angular. So Angular is an open source framework developed by Google. Initially it was written like completely in a JS with Angular JS, which is commonly known as Angular v1, but later on they just rewrite it to make it a complete SPA application, for which they call it Angular 2 plus and above, which is a TypeScript version for it. And right now it's used by some of the major banks and some enterprise products, and besides that Google also uses it in their own product. It's simple to learn and easy to start, so we will be just learning that how to make a scratch project with Angular. So let's get started. Initially we just need to search that install Angular. It's normally an Angular package. You can just install it after installing the Node.js. So this is Angular.io is a special website from Google and team. So what we can do is, like, there is a initially set of instructions given to install it. So we just need to open our bash, and with that the commands are written here as so it will just install the Angular CLI as a global running project for my system, and once it is installed, so I can just check it using the Angular version command, so that which version of Angular is installed on my system. Okay, looks like we have to give it sudo permission. So right now we can just check using ng version command that which version of Angular CLI and its component is installed on my system. Okay, so here it goes. So the Angular CLI version is 10.1.1 and my Node version is 12.18.3, my OS and the other specs. So if we want to get started with a new project, so what we can do, we can go to our base folder, which could be anything for you, where you keep all of your projects. So if we want to enable routing, which we normally do for a lot of projects, so we just need to type yes, and after it we can use any kind of CSS styling that we want. It's like normal CSS or one with the SCSS, another one is SAS or less. So I will be going with the SCSS, it's my favorite. And now I'm just creating a basic structure for all of our project with some basic pages. Project is created. Now we just need to go inside the folder and run ngserve command to see it running in local. So this is a basic Angular app which is created by default. Now you can start editing it and publish it. So we will learn how to publish our SPA application on Angular on GitHub pages or Firebase in our next tutorial.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल कोड एपेटाइजर्स and to get notification of our latest coding videos hit the bell icon and select all notifications. तो मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड मे कोड बी विद यू. बाय बाय.